Boy, this is above and beyond what I wanted to do. Big enough problem is there's a million screws and they're not all the same size, and you're gonna have to figure out which one goes where. And I've got a nice little bench with screws laid out all over the fucking place. But let's get to this. We're going to test for continuity. I'm going to put my meter. My meter doesn't need to be up. All I have to do is just hear it. I have these really skinny probes. If I can use the camera to assist in my viewing, that will probably make my life easier too. So that's what we're going to try to do. And I need to get if I'm going to do stuff like this, I need one of those little Amazon microscopes, you know. I've got a microscope, but you can't put this under the microscope real easily. Actually, I guess this I probably could, but so what we're looking for is our chip is right here, and let's see. So I know there's a couple of ways to test a bunch of different things. Biggest problem is I can't see shit. That one's shorted. All right. We got nothing on that one? This is so hard to see. And then we get this one down here. And then I don't know if that's one of them right there too. I'm having a really hard time seeing this. Come on, focus. Yeah. So we have this one right here, which means that chip is probably bad. So I don't know about any other chips being bad on this, or what to even look for. I don't know what that one is, but so we need an M92T36. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and order one on Amazon, and I'll let you know if I'm successful.